This is how to make a delicious, quick and easy Japanese side dish that I'm going to call a Chikuwa Cucumber Salad. And it involves no cooking at all. To make this dish, you'll need a couple of packs of Chikuwa, aka Japanese fish cake, and a couple of cucumbers. And as you can see, to save time, I've already cut my cucumbers into these perfectly sized wedges. That, once inserted, will fit perfectly into each Chikuwa. Just like this. The next step is to cut them up into equal sized pieces. And when you're finished, they should look something like this. Okay, looking pretty good, so now it's time to make the dressing. You'll need half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of sugar, and also half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of mentsuyu, and 2 teaspoons of ponzu sauce for that little citrus hit. And finally, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now give it a good mix, and that is the dressing. Now toss in the Chikuwa and make sure that each piece is coated with that lovely dressing. Once that's done, cover it up and stick it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. And while in there, the Chikuwa is going to suck up all of that dressing, making each piece a little juicy flavour bomb. And when those 10 minutes are up, they are ready to eat. Now just look at that. As you can see, each little piece has sucked up all of that dressing. So how do they taste? Thanks to the cucumber, each piece has a crisp and juicy centre. And the plump Chikuwa outer is just full of that Japanese ponzu dressing goodness. Yep, each piece is a little fish cake flavour bomb. And for the record, since it involves a dressing and cucumber, it is a salad in my books. Or maybe not. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, and for more content like this, please like and follow.